friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw vintage Poppy from Dandy's World. So first let's get started on the left hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our left eye. Let's leave a small gap in the center now, and we're going to move over to the right and replicate that. Now in the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in the pupils. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right hand side as well. And in the space where we have the small gap here now, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line on the top that comes in. And then from that point, we're just going to go over and bring this diagonal line down towards the bottom. And then now from here on the side for the eyelashes, we're just going to draw two curved lines that arch up on both sides. Now let's move up and draw in our bow. So right in the center, moving up towards the top, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. On the top of this now on the right, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the left hand side, trying to line that up so it ends at the same height. Now let's close off the bottom. So starting from the point here, we're going to curve this line out, bringing this all the way over and in towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right hand side, curving this all the way around and then back up underneath. For the eyebrow now on the left hand side, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes down. And now let's draw in the mouth. So underneath both eyes, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now from here on the bottom, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up on the right. And then now from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Now let's draw in a nice big half circle closing off the face. So we're going to curve this line all the way around, arching this over and in towards the chin. And then we'll move over on the right hand side and replicate that, curving this line all the way around and then in on the bottom again. Now let's draw the dress. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the left. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right. So we're going to curve this all the way around and end that so it's at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close off the bottom of the dress by curving this line all the way around and then up on the right. Let's draw in the arms and hands now. So on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. We'll move over on the right and replicate that, ending that so it's at the same height. On the top now, we're going to curve this line around and then in with the thumb. And then we'll do the same thing on the left hand side as well. Now from here for the point, we're going to arch this line around and then in to close off the rest of the hand. And again, replicating this over on the right. Now for the legs, on the middle, stepping slightly over towards the left, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then again, moving over on the right, let's replicate that, ending that so it's at the same height. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line over and out for the bottom of the shoe. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line up and down. And then again, moving over on the right, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. Now let's move over on the left-hand side and we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then again, stepping over on the right, let's replicate that, closing off the leg. Now we're just going to draw some stripes that come down the leg. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and then stepping over on the right, let's replicate that again. Dropping down, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this across on both sides. And then again, moving down one more time, we're just going to curve this line over and across. And that is it. That's how you draw vintage Poppy from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.